Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to fill out a 2021 dependent verification form. Note that you have to fill out this form in order for the universities to know how much money they're going to be awarding you through the financial aid award letter. So it's very important that we fill this out. I'm going to be using the CSU Dominguez Hills form just because it's the first form that I had on my laptop. However, all the forms for the dependent verifications that each school is going to ask you is going to be about 95% the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to notice in section A is pretty wordy up here. Pretty much they just want to know who lives in your household. When you completed your FAFSA or the California Dream Act, it also asked you this question. So I would make sure that everyone that you're putting in this chart are the same people that you had already put on your FAFSA or California Dream Act. If you're not sure, you can always log back into these accounts and you can find out how many people you had put. So the first line is already going to be pre-filled for you. It's going to say relationship self. The college will be, in this case, Dominguez Hills, because this is the form that I am filling out. And then you're going to put yes, enrolled at least half time, because for at least my students, they're all going to be full-time students. So I'll just go ahead and put Jose Toro. That's the name we'll put right now. This in the second line, you can go ahead and put your parents as they were listed on the FAFSA or the California Dream Act. So we can just put something like Jessie Toro, which would be the mom. You can put whatever age, and then you'll put mother. As for college, let's say Jessie, a mom, is not going to college, so we're just going to put not applicable and not applicable. And you will go ahead and fill that out for everyone else who is living in your household. So that's for section A. Then we're going to move on to section B. Again, pretty wordy, but you're only going to be checking one. If you, the student, did have a job in 2018 and you did file taxes, then you're going to be checking either this box or this box. Now, when you filled out your FAFSA, you had the option of doing the IRS data retrieval tool. That means that you were able to make a FAFSA account and all of your IRS tax transcript was pulled from the IRS website and dropped into the FAFSA. So if you had this done automatically through the data retrieval tool, you're going to check this box right here. However, if you had a job in 2018 and you did file taxes, but you were not able to do the data retrieval tool, you're going to have to check this box. And most importantly, you're going to have to make sure that you attach a copy of your 2018 tax return transcript. And it tells you right here in this little arrow what website to go to, what to click on. And you can either get that transcript either online or through the mail. So make sure that you go ahead and request that form. And whether you get it online or through the mail, once you get it, you're going to be submitting this entire document alongside that tax transcript to the financial aid office, because they will need both documents in order to give you an award letter. If you were in 2018, if you were a student but you were not employed and you did not make any income in 2018, then you can go ahead and just check this box right here. And what this box over here is saying is that you were employed, but maybe you didn't reach the amount of income needed in order to file taxes. You will check this box and you're just going to go ahead and put your employer's name and how much money they earned. So let's say you worked at McDonald's, but you only worked there for like a month of 2018, so you really only made like 400 bucks. So you're going to go ahead and just put that information in there. Whoops, that was super tiny, but go ahead and put the 400 down here as well, and you will check this box, and then that's pretty much it. Same deal for the parents as we just talked about in section B. For section C, it's the same thing, only this is regarding your parents' income. So again, if they do use the data retrieval tool for your FAFSA or California Dream Act, you're going to go ahead and click here. If you had to put in, or if they had to put in their tax information manually, then you're going to have to request the tax transcripts on the IRS website. Once again, get tax record online or mail and attach them to this document once again. Or if your parents were not required to file, then you can go ahead and just check this box, and they will have to get a copy of this IRS verification non-filing letter. They'll also have to fill out this box over here, which is similar to the student one. Well, you'll just have to put all the sources of income that the parent received. So maybe you can put the employer's name, the type of assistance, whether it was work, maybe it was food stamps, maybe it's some kind of social security benefits, whatever it may be. You're going to put in the name of the agency or the employer, the type of work that it was, and then how much the parent 1 and parent 2 earned. So you definitely talk to your parents about this one if you were to be checking off this box right here. And lastly, this box is only to be checked off, this section, if your parents submitted a IRS tax return, but then they had to change them or correct them or amend them. If that is something that your parents had to do, then you're going to have to get these documents and check them off appropriately. This is a very rare situation. For the most part, most people, most parents are able to just file their taxes with no problems, and then that's it for that year. So go ahead and talk to your parents to see if they had to change or correct their taxes after they were already submitted. Again, if not, then don't worry about checking either of these boxes. And then you just sign, your parents sign, you date it, and you will submit this form to your respective university. On your to-do list, it'll tell you how they want you to submit these forms, either electronically, through email, maybe it's already a part of your portal, or you'll have to mail them. So go ahead and check on your to-do list to see how they want those forms submitted. But overall, that's how you complete the 2021 dependent verification form. I hope this was helpful, and if you need help, please feel free to reach out to your college advisor. We are here to assist you.